Hey YouTubers, this is Richie with S&R Motors and Extreme Coatings, where we specialize in truck accessories, spray-on bedliners, and trailer hitches. In the shop today we have an example of Firestone airbags and an airlift wireless compressor. Let me show you the airbags here real quick and then we'll get to that fob I was showing. There's your bags. This is on a truck with a 6-inch lift, so in that case you do have to compensate for the rear block. Usually in a 6-inch lift there'll be a 4-inch block on the back, 6 inches on the front. Once the bags are set up, you can either do manual fill, kind of like this guy did. That is an override for the wireless system in case this guy is not working, batteries run out, something like that. Regardless, super easy to use. Got a couple presets here. Press any button to wake it up. We're set at 40 on our preset. Let's say you're unhooked and you just need to go back down to its minimum 5. Click on that. You got 3 different presets, 2 different trailers you can set up and then keep your low setting. You can do left and right separately. Not only that, let's say you lose the fob or you don't want to use the fob. System's also set up Bluetooth. Just got to download the app. Thanks for watching.